my orange. They're finally turning yellow. And they look so pretty. Except I don't know when I'm supposed to eat them. Ah, look at that golden. Up, 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 na 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 golden, la 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 la. Oh, ooh, so pretty. OMG. Just imagine when they're matured. When the tree is really matured already, we're gonna have lots and lots and lots of fruit. Although we're not very good at eating them, but we can always juice them. See? Pretty. And they're juicy now. Ooh. Ooh, I can't wait for this one. Wow. Mandarin orange. Mandarin orange. Ooh, 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 ooh. My G. And not just that. Look how pretty the pomegranates are. They're so big. Oh my G. Look how big this is. Ooh. Finally. I got some big pomegranate. Took a while. Took a few years. See that pomegranate there? Oh my G. Just imagine next year again. Next year again, we'll have some pomegranate. And hopefully they're a lot more and a lot bigger. Happy. See? What you sow is what you get. It's not so bad. It's worth it. With all the effort, with all the money put in to buy some healthy soil. There you go. There's my labor, my TLC. With tender love and care. Now I'm enjoying the fruit of my labor. Even just looking at it is pretty. I'm happy already. Last but not the least, my tangerine 2-year-old.